Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone. Have you brushed your teeth and combed your hair? Are you in your pajamas ready for bed? Are the curtains drawn and blankets tucked tight? Are you ready to sleep and say good night? But before you go into your dream ride, here's a story for you tonight. Tonight I'm taking you to the jungle of India. That's right. Do you want to come with me? Can you take a guess who could the story be about today? Oh no, it's not a lion nor a tiger. It's a story about a chameleon. Have you heard about a chameleon? Do you know who a chameleon is? Let me tell you a little bit about a chameleon. A chameleon comes from the family of lizards. Yes, it is not as small as the lizard. It is bigger than that. And do you know something? Chameleon has a very special quality. Its skin can change color. That's right. Isn't that amazing? Let's go to the jungle and let's find out her story. Color, Kamini. Bahadur looked around the banana patch. Bahadur is an elephant. Where was Kamini? Suddenly, something moved nearby. Kamini, said Bahadur, you look green, just like the banana leaf. Kamini giggled. Chameleons love it when other animals can't find them. I'm practicing color matching, she said, with the others. I didn't see anybody else. I could hardly spot Kamini. Did you see anybody else? Let's see again. Others? Asked Bahadur. He could see only the grass and plants and trees. Why, here's Kavita and Karan, Kamini pointed out. There's Kareem and Konkana. And over there, see? Kirtana and Kabir. Bahadur looked again, but he couldn't see anyone. Oh dear me. I'm looking too. Are you looking at the page? Now I see everyone. Poor Bahadur, he couldn't see anyone. Silly Bahadur, Kamini said, everyone is practicing green color. All the chameleons had turned green, just like the leaves. That's why Bahadur couldn't spot them. Chameleons are good at hide and seek, he said. That's why we keep safe, said Kamini. Oh, Bahadur, I hope I can do color matching when Kapila auntie comes. Why can't you? Bahadur asked. Now, do you know who Kapila auntie is? Kapila auntie is the teacher of all the chameleons. Just then, Kapila auntie came along. Children, time for basic colors, Kapila auntie called out. Let's start matching with a tree. All the little chameleons scampered to the branch of a tree, even Kamini. Kapila auntie called out, ready, get, set, go! Brown! All the chameleons turned brown just like the branch, except Kamini. Oh dear me. What happened to Kamini? She was doing a good green color before that, wasn't she? Let's find out. Kamini turned pink, then indigo, and red, then purple and orange, and... shrieked Kapila auntie. Kamini! If you flash colors like this, how will you hide in the jungle? Kamini was upset. I can do it, Bahadur, she said later. Try me on any color thing and I will show you. Oh, after the class, Kamini met Bahadur and she was very upset. I would be too, wouldn't you? Bahadur thought of some color things and called them out. Tomato! Yelled Bahadur. Kamini turned a delicious red color. Sunflower! Cried Bahadur. Kamini turned a warm yellow sunny. Oh wow! Bahadur was puzzled. And so am I. Are you puzzled? Kamini can do colors. Why was she not able to do it in front of Kapila auntie? Why can't you do this with Kapila auntie? He asked. Because I get excited. Then I start flashing color. Oh, Bahadur. Kamini was sad. All my friends will move to the spots and stripes. What will I do? Bahadur felt sorry for his friend. Even I'm feeling sorry. What if all her friends learn all the colors and then they go to spots and stripes? I didn't know chameleons could do spots and stripes. That's new. Wow. When he went home, he saw Kapila auntie talking to Amma and Hutokshi the horse. Are they talking about Kamini? Wondered Bahadur. Oh dear me. No, Kapila auntie was complaining about the elephant teenagers. They stomped around the banana patch and nearly squashed the little ones, she said to Amma. Is it true? Amma asked Anna and Akka, Bahadur's brother and sister. Anna and Akka were confused. Chameleons? We didn't see any chameleons, they said. Oh dear me, just like Bahadur, they also couldn't see. Amma looked at them sternly. But Bahadur understood. Amma, I know, he said. The chameleons were color matching. That's why Anna and Akka didn't see them. Oh, I see, said Amma. How can they be careful if they can't spot the little ones? Amma asked Kapila auntie. What a problem! Oh dear me. So now Bahadur, he knew that the chameleons were practicing only because Kamini called out to him. But Anna and Akka and the other big elephants, they will not know. My God, what if they try and pick a banana from there and a chameleon comes with the banana? That would be a disaster. Kapila auntie looked worried. She didn't want the little chameleons to be in danger. Hutokshi looked worried. Don't go to the banana patch, she said to Anna and Akka. Anna and Akka looked worried. They loved bananas. Just then, Bahadur had an idea. Kamini can help, he told Kapila auntie. How can Kamini help? Kamini is a chameleon too, and she's also there with her friends. I wonder what is the idea that Bahadur has. Let's find out. Kamini? Snorted Kapila auntie. She can't even do color matching. She can, squealed Bahadur. But how can she help? Asked Amma. Bahadur explained his idea. Kapila auntie looked at Amma. Amma looked at Anna and Akka. Anna and Akka looked at the bananas. This could work, they all said together. What could work? What is the idea that Bahadur came up with? Now I'm curious. I want to know. Let's read on. Now, every day, Kamini keeps watch during the color practice. When anyone comes close to banana patch, Kamini gets excited. And what happens when Kamini gets excited? She starts flashing colors. Red, brown, green she goes, or pink, indigo, silver, or orange, black, purple. Wow! That is a wonderful idea. Anna and Akka spot the color flashes. They tiptoe away and come back later. Everyone is happy. Kamini is happy to be with her friends. Kapila auntie is happy that the little chameleons are safe. Anna and Akka are happy not to get in trouble. And every day they bring back lots of juicy bananas for Bahadur. Wow, that's wonderful. Bahadur thought of a wonderful idea. I am so happy that the chameleons are safe and the elephants are getting their bananas and everyone is happy. Isn't that a happy ending? Now, see more about chameleons on YouTube and tell me about them on my Facebook page. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't get into any pillow fights.